What's up? It's me, Captain E38, once again with another aircraft review coming to you from the airport lounge, but this ain't no aircraft review. This is a special aircraft review on the Douglas C47 Dakota. Right now, you are staring at a U.S. Army Air Force Douglas C47 A-41 Dakota, built by Douglas Aircraft Incorporated in El Segundo, California, in 1941. The mission for this aircraft is to insert airborne forces behind enemy lines and to deliver gliders and supplies. I'll show you one that the C-47 had used. Now, if you look under the tail of the aircraft, under the tail section, the tail section will have a winch. It would be it would carry a Waco CG-4A assault glider and would be towed from behind. Once the aircraft reached their targeted destination, then the pilots up in the cockpit would release the gliders, and the gliders would begin their descent, bring the troops and their equipment down to the area that needs to be assaulted. Sorry about that. And ours, like the airspeed Horsa, was towed by the C-47 before D-Day on June 5th, 1944, in which this aircraft right here is in the markings of the D-Day landings. As you can see from these views of the C-47. The C-47 was also given the nickname the Biscuit Bomber, where it would be able to carry combat litters to evacuate the wounded. But the C-47 was very vulnerable to anti-aircraft fire, where the Germans would take pot shots at the C-47s with their MG-42s and flak guns. And a number of these aircraft were brought down by anti-aircraft fire during the opening hours before D-Day, as members of the U.S. 82nd and 101st Airborne were about to parachute into occupied France on June the 5th, 1944. This aircraft also was used by the U.S. Navy and the U.S. Marine Corps to deliver troops, and also for VIP duties as well, saying like Chester W. Nimitz and Douglas MacArthur flew on this aircraft. But during the Korean War, the C-47 was used in a secondary role, and then by the Vietnam War, the C-47 was being used as a airborne gunship and was used to drop propaganda leaflets behind enemy lines, and It was used also with loudspeakers, asking North Vietnamese soldiers come out and put their weapons down, because they played Vietnamese funeral march music, children crying and stuff like that. And others, well, Vietnam vets called the C-47 the bullshit bomber, and it went by another name, Casper the Friendly Ghost, which the basic C-47 that you see here was armed with 4 miniguns located just behind the cockpit, and they were used on the Ho Chi Minh Trail. The C-47 was also used by the U.S. Army's Golden Knights for parachute demonstrations. Give me one good shot of the C-47. Above shot. Shot from this side. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain E3E, signing off for now.